kaftan. I'll be using these 5 yards of adire, although I can't use everything, so I'll just use the amount that I need, and the rest is going to go for gele. So let's get started. So first, I'll be folding this into 4. It is already into 2 like this, so I'm going to be folding it into 4 like this. But the length I'll be using to fold it is going to be the length of the gown, which is 58 inches, plus extra 2 inches seam allowance is going to be 60 inches. So I'll be folding 60 inches into 2. Okay, this is 60 inches. So here we're going to fold it into 2. Like so. Now that our material is folded into 4, so I will start by imputing the neck measurement. The wideness of this neck is going to be 3.5 inches. So I'm just going to mark 3.5 inches. The back depth is going to be just 1.5. And the front, for now, I'm just going to make it 3 inches. So connect that. Now come to this end. First of all, come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope, which will be connecting to this place. You can use your ruler. And then I'm going to be marking the circumference of the sleeve, how wide you want the sleeve to be. For this, I'll be making it 20 inches divided plus seam allowance 20 inches divided by 2 is 10. So I'll mark that 10 here. Now, from this shoulder slope, come down to the hip line, which is going to be 26. So we have 26 here. On this 26, I'll be imputing the hip measurement. The hip measurement is 46 divided by 4. That's going to be 11.5. I have the 11.5 here because this is a free gown, right? So I'll be adding extra 3 inches. So I'll be connecting this now to this sleeve measurement we have here. As you can see, very easy. Then I'll be extending this measurement we have here. That is going to be 14.5. So I'll be extending it down. Now I'm going to cut it out. Starting from the shoulder slope. Then cut the back neckline first. Okay. Now, this is what we have. So, take one piece out, which is going to be for front. To create a front neckline, from here come down by 8 inches. You can make yours 10, right? But this is just going to be 8 inches. On this 8 inches, mark 1 inch inward. Then you connect it from here to this place. This is what we have for the front neckline, okay? I'm just going to open it up like this. Place the back on it. The right side facing the right side, like so. So I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and join the shoulders together. First to do one side, then do the other side. After then, you're going to measure whatever you have here, you're going to measure it round. So let's say you have joined it together, you measure like this. I have roughly 27 inches here. You know, after I join it together, it's still going to be lesser than 27 inches, but I'll be making it about 30 inches. I will be cutting the collar now, and the collar is going to be about 30 inches long. After joining the shoulders together, just close it on both sides, hem the down part, and also hem the sleeves as well. So there is really nothing much on this kaftan. It's very easy and super fast. Now for the collar. My side is going to be 30 inches, so I have even 30.5 inches here. 30.5 inches by 2.5 inches. Everything was 5 inches. Then fold it into 2, that's going to be 2.5 inches. By the time I join it with the neck of the kaftan, I'm going to have 2 inches left, and that is okay. If you want yours to be wider, then go ahead. So this is going to be for the neck. And for the other piece, this is 10 by 10, 10 inches long and 10 inches wide. I'm going to come in here by 3 inches, 3 inches, then connect it like this. This pattern could be in any shape of your choice and any length as well. And this one comes here like this. Fold it in here like this. Do the same here. Do the same here and here. Also here, then just run a straight stitch to just hold it down. Now let's go and join all the pieces together. Okay, I have joined everything together. This took less than 30 minutes actually, because just stitching the both sides, hem the sleeves and join the shoulder area. Then this place too is very easy. Just join it, and once you iron this one already, it makes it really flat and you just run a stitch on it. So it is very easy. This is what it looks like. And I also put slit here about 10 inches on both sides. And this is the gown. Now I'll be doing some stone work here. I'll be adding some stones here. I have a video on how to actually fix stones on your fabric using stone pencil. So this is the stone I'll be using. You're just going to be adding this glue anywhere you want to put your stones, like so. Then you go ahead and start picking your stones. After placing the stones wherever you want it, so I'm basically using heat protector here before placing my iron. You can use toning machine, and if you don't have, you can go ahead and use your iron, but make sure you put something in between. Don't place iron directly on your stones, on your fabric. It's a bit risky. Use heat protector or get another piece of material before doing that. And this is the end of today's tutorial. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, drop comments if you have any. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much.